Hello everyone, my name is Ostroumov. I am from National Aviation University and I am a part of air navigation team in now. And actually today I would like to present you our results in estimation of horizontal flight efficiency for air traffic management system. In aviation, each airspace user have to use a specific path to reach destination. That's why if you would like to fly from one point of airspace, for example here, to the destination point, you need to select particular flight trajectory. And then each pilot have to upload this pre-planned trajectory to specific authority to approve upcoming flight. The problem is that in airspace we have a specific network of flight routes. It means that airplane could not move through the airspace anywhere. There is a network and airspace user have to move only within this network. And in this case we have quite important task how we could select the optimal flight path, because optimal means the most cheapest, the most speedy way for travel, or path which provide for us the lowest distance. That's why in this research we will study horizontal flight efficiency, which means how we could deviate from optimal flight trajectory. Actually, when we talk about horizontal flight efficiency, usually we need to follow specific formula of how we could calculate horizontal flight efficiency. There are approximately 3 basic formulas by which we could calculate horizontal flight efficiency. However, in air traffic management, the most commonly used formula grounds on the shortest path between departure and destination places. What does it mean? It means that if we have to move from point A to point B and we have actual or pre-planned airplane trajectory as following one, the blue line here, and the green line, it is the shortest path. That's why horizontal flight efficiency have to show how our actual trajectory will deviate from the shortest path. And usually we use the following formula, which means horizontal flight efficiency is equal total flight length or total trajectory length minus the shortest path length divided by shortest path length. Actually, it means that we calculate trajectory length, then count how our trajectory be longer than shortest path, and then find a percentage to the shortest path. It means that if we have shortest path more than 1, it means that our actual trajectory is twice bigger than shortest path. And it means that in most cases the value of horizontal flight efficiency coefficient will be less than 1. Actually, airplane trajectory usually could be represented as a set of waypoints. If we talk about flight planning or flight plan, here we have waypoints where airplane have to turn or goes through some nodes of flight roads network. If you talk about post-flight data processing, in this case we have a sequence of waypoints by which airplane have to move. That's why by this formula, it is a RICE formula or arc length we have to calculate trajectory length of actual airplane flying. In our research, we analyze, could we use another formula for calculation horizontal flight efficiency. And we propose to calculate horizontal flight efficiency by area which is closed by airplane trajectory. That's why here you could see that the red line shows trajectory which fluctuates along the shortest path, and the blue line shows the huge side deviation. That's why we propose to use the following formulas to calculate the area limited by actual airplane trajectory and short path. This area value shows us, for example, presence of big side deviations. And to evaluate our results, we use ADS-B datasets, and here is RL292 airplane flight. We use 45 unique flights from John Kennedy Airport to Indira Gandhi in India Airport. And you can see that due to war in Ukraine, this airplane deviate from shortest path. That's why the black line here, it is the shortest path, and the blue lines, it is actual flight realizations. And you could see that this trajectory have to avoid entering Ukrainian and closed airspace. Then we perform statistical analysis. That's why here you could see histograms of total flight lengths, addition flight lengths, and total flight time for whole 45 trajectories. And then we estimate horizontal flight efficiency coefficients by classical formula and by area. And here you could see that there is quite tricky thing because it helps to identify huge side deviations. Then we put horizontal flight efficiency and area into the following graph, and then try to analyze their distribution for particular flight realization. Here you could see their number of months and number of days. That's why it is a date of flight realization. And here you could see that for whole 45 flights, we could identify that 2 flights have huge side deviation. Then the next group has middle flight deviation, and the following one, it is almost the same, okay, I think, based on area. That's why we think that classical approach, it is a good one. However, horizontal flight efficiency coefficient, it is not only one parameter which indicate importance of side deviations from the shortest or from the efficient trajectory. And here you could see conclusions related to our work. What is the main important here that we need to use both parameters for analyzing airplane trajectories, especially for post-flight data processing. Okay, that's why. Thank you for attention. If you have any question, I will be glad to answer your questions. Thank you.